So this section also refers to Scrum teams being self-managing. Explain the importance of this to us and how it differs from self-organizing.
The whole idea of self-organizing comes from complex adaptive systems theory. Scrum is based on decades of scientific research. I am a professor of mathematics, a professor of biometrics, a professor of radiology, and a professor of epidemiology. And I spent decades in universities. And everything in Scrum was researched in the universities. And part of that research was a complex adaptive system is a system that self-organizes to achieve a goal. So when you build a autonomous robot, that robot is an intelligent system trying to achieve some goal that you're, and as it moves, it will run into problems, and what it does is it figures out how to solve that problem and go in a different direction. So that self-organization is always part of the drive to achieve a goal.
Yeah, I heard that story.
Now, in many Scrum teams, in fact, in every company I've been in, I always ask them, do you have any developers who think self-organization means they can do whatever they want? And everybody laughs, and they all raise their hand. So in every company, we have people who are completely misinterpreting self-organization. They have no understanding of complex adaptive systems. And so we need to word the Scrum Guide in a way that it makes it clearer that they need to self-manage to achieve the sprint goal. I think even a new developer can understand that, right?
Yeah, I heard you talk about California Scrum and self-organizing become no organization at all.
Yeah, right. So,
things like that, right?
Yeah.
So this could be an extension to fix that, right?
Yeah, right. So this happens every time we update the guide. In many ways, Scrum is not different, but we say it different so people can understand it better, right? Sometimes we say something like self-organization and people have no idea what that is. So we have to say something maybe simpler. Maybe they can understand self-managing to achieve a sprint goal.